welcome back to another video. All the pixels that you are seeing, it's rain. It's been wonderful having all this rain right now. Also, please remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like. I'm going to be posting two videos. Yeah, two videos today. This one and another one. So, I do enjoy the rain when it does rain, especially when it waters what we need to be watered, like the trees, when the garden, the grass, whatnot. So, and also, like if like animals out there, like wildlife, all the wildlife animals out there needs something to drink. Yeah, all those rain clouds out. Man, that's a big bang. Gonna rain even harder, which I would take. Like, we will take it. So, I'm gonna end it here. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.